everybody, and welcome to this channel and to Pumpkin Panic. I say now that I'm a little bit nervous and about my English, that I'm really sorry about that. And the people who haven't played Pumpkin Panic or don't know so much about it, you have to survive and leave fast as possible. And there are like skinwalkers and others who wants to kill you. Yeah, but I want to talk about myself now. So I'm a 16 years old person, and the things that I am interested are abandoned places, music, and of course video games. And I'll try every other week upload some videos, but let's see how this goes in the future. Sorry, I did have to drink water. Uh, I'll say now, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If this goes really well, I try to make videos a lot, but not a lot because I have still school to do. So videos aren't gonna come so fast, but I think that I can handle this very well. But if I can't, then let's see what's gonna happen. And maybe early next month I'm gonna do my day video. So yeah, it's gonna happen. And yeah, but I'm gonna talk about little bit more about myself. I'm the youngest of my family. I have 3 siblings. Yeah, and yeah, I play a lot video games. And right now, the most played video game I have is Fragpunk, and it's a really good game. And so is Counter Strike 2, but I'm not good at that game. But I try my best at. But yeah, yeah. So let's see. I see ya in the next video. So bye bye, and see ya in the future.